Gravitational potential. Gravitational potential. Due to gravitational potential at the origin, due to infinite number of bodies, infinite number of bodies of mass capital M, infinite number of bodies each of mass capital M placed at the distances, placed at the distances 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter, from the origin along the same straight line. So we have to find the gravitational potential at the origin due to infinite number of bodies, each of mass m placed at the distances 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter from the origin. So O is the origin. We have the different points A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H at the distances x equal 1 meter, x equal 2 meter, x equal 3 meter, x equal 4 meter, x equal 5 meter, x equal 6 meter, x equal 7 meter, and x equal 8 meter, and so on. An infinite number of bodies are placed at that point. A body of mass m1 is placed at a distance 1 meter from O, that is at the point A. Another body of mass m2 of mass capital M is placed at the point B. Third body of mass m3 equal capital M is placed at the point B at a distance x equal 4 meter from the origin. Fourth body is placed at the point H at a distance 8 meter from the origin. Fourth body of mass m4 equal capital M is placed at the point H at a distance 8 meter from the origin O. Also, we can consider another point P at infinite distance from the origin on the other side. And a test body, this is the test body of mass m prime equal 1. M prime equal 1 is the mass of the test body which is placed at the point P at infinite distance, and we have to find gravitational potential at O. That means V equal question mark at the origin O. And the test body of mass 1, test body of unit mass is brought from the point P to O. That means the test body is brought from the point from infinity to the point or to the origin, and V1 is the gravitational potential at O due to the body of mass m1. Similarly, V2, V3, V4 are the gravitational potentials at O due to the other bodies. Let V1, V2, V3, V4, be the gravitational potentials. Be the gravitational potentials at the origin or at the point O. At the point O or origin O, due to the infinite number of bodies, infinite number of bodies, infinite number of bodies of masses, infinite number of bodies of masses m1, m2, m3, m4, at the distances placed along the same straight line, along a straight line, at the distances 1 meter, 2 meter, x equal 2 meter, then x equal 4 meter, which is very which should be noted, and x equal 8 meter, comma dot 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 dot. From the origin, O. Therefore, V1 equal minus gm1 by 1, comma V2 equal minus gm2 by 2, comma V3 equal, which is very very important, V3 equal minus gm3 by 4, not divided by 3, because the third body is at the distance is 4 meter from the origin. V4 equal minus gm4 by 8, where 8 means the fourth body of mass m2 is at the distance 4 meter. The body of mass m1 equal m is at a distance r1 equal 1 meter or x1 equal 1 meter. That's why v1 equal gm by 1. 1 is actually the distance of the first body from the origin. Similarly, m2 equal m, the second body of mass m2 equal capital M, which is at a distance 2 meter. Third body of mass m3 equal m is at a distance x r3 equal 4 meter, and for v3 it should be divided by 4, because 4 meter is the distance of the third body m3 from the origin. So similarly we can write v4 equal minus gm4 by 8 dot 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 dot. Therefore, the total gravitational potential, at the point O, or at the origin O, is given by V equal V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus dot 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 dot, equal minus GM1 by 1, minus GM2 by 2, minus GM3 by 4, not divided by 3, it should be GM3 by 4, then minus GM4 by 8, minus dot dot dot, minus G capital M is taken common. So minus gm by 1, minus gm by 2, minus gm by 4, minus gm by 8, minus dot dot dot. Here all the bodies have the same mass. Therefore m1 equal, since m1 equal m2 equal m3 equal m4 equal m. So putting the values of the masses of different bodies, and we can take common gm. So minus gm is taken common, minus gm bracket open 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 dot. So V equal minus gm bracket open 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus on dot 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 dot. This is equation 1. Now we can use GP series formula, sum of infinite number of terms. Sn equal a bracket open 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r, which is the sum of infinite numbers, of numbers or terms, and a is the first term, and r is the common ratio. Also r is less than 1, the common ratio is less than 1, and the formula Bayesian is derived as according to GP series. The common ratio r is less than 1. Here 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 will be 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 by r, where the common ratio r equal 1 by 2 and number of terms n equal infinity. Therefore 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole to the power infinity bracket close divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 equal 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power infinity divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 equal 1 minus 1 by infinity, because 2 to the power infinity is infinity, divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. That is 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So finally we get 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 equal 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. Therefore V equal minus gm bracket open 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 equal minus gm 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, that is according to GP series. Therefore we get V equal minus 2gm. V equal minus 2gm. This is the gravitational potential. This is the gravitational potential at the origin due to infinite number of bodies, of mass capital M. V equal minus gm by minus 2gm. Or we can find the common ratio in this series 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 dot. Common ratio R equal 1 by 2 by 1, 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 equal 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4, and that will be equal to 1 by 2. So R is a common ratio which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the common ratio. R equal half is the common ratio of this GP series, or a common ratio of sum of infinite number of terms. Additional information. This is the test body having mass m prime equal 1, which is placed at infinity, that means at the point P. If the test body is moved from infinity to the point O in the gravitational field of the body of mass m1, in the gravitational field of the body of mass m1, in that case the required work done to bring the test body of a unit mass is equivalent to gravitational potential at O due to m1, and v1 equal minus g m1 by 1. Similarly, test body is brought from the point P to O in the gravitational field of mass m2 equal m. In that case, that work done to bring the unit test body from infinity to the point O is v2. Similarly, the test body is brought from the point P to O in the gravitational field of mass m3, and we get that work done in bringing unit mass, which is test body unit mass, from infinity, means from the point O, from infinity, that is from the point P, to the origin, means to the point O, in the gravitational field of the body of mass m3. And V3 will be minus gm3 by 4, because the third body m3 having mass m is at the point D, which is at a distance 4 meter from the origin O. So finally we get the total potential V equal V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus dot 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 dot, which is minus gm bracket open 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus dot 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 dot. And if we simplify using GP series, then we get G minus Gm 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So finally total potential will be minus 2 Gm.